Hey guys, welcome back to Knife Review. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my first ever Benchmade knife. And this is the Benchmade Griptilian 551. But I have used this knife before. My dad actually owns one, and I was using it a little bit a couple weeks ago. And I liked it so much that I actually decided to go pick one up for myself. I picked this up for around $95 on Amazon, and that's a really good deal. Usually these are selling for around $120. But for current pricing and availability, I will leave a link in the description down below where you guys can check this out on Amazon. But there is a little tape on the box here, so we'll use my Kershaw knife to cut the tape and get this sucker open. And now let's just open up the box and see what's inside. So it looks like the first thing we are greeted with is this little protective pouch. It's a soft pouch that the knife is going to be protected by. And at the bottom of the box, we can see our Benchmade user manual, which is going to give us some information about how to clean and lubricate your knife. But of course, that's not what we are interested in. We're interested in the actual knife itself here. So here it is, the Benchmade Griptilian, and as far as weight goes, this is actually relatively lightweight, coming in at 3.82 ounces. The grip feels very nice. It's made from Benchmade's in-house polymer material, which is going to be very durable and very lightweight. The clip on here is reversible, so you can put it on the left or the right section, and the clip is only going to hold the knife tip up. You cannot face the tip down with this clip. The blade is made from 154 American-made stainless steel, and that's going to be very tough and also corrosion resistance, and it's also going to help retain the knife's sharp edge. The blade on this knife is going to be a drop point style, and that's going to be good for everyday carry. The access lock is on both the left and the right side, which is going to be great if you're left or right-handed, and the same goes with the thumb studs. Are going to be featured on both the left and the right side. But that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of this knife. So far, I really am liking it, but I'm definitely going to be doing a full review of this knife. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be notified when I release brand new videos to this YouTube channel. A lot of videos are going to be coming on a ton of different knives, so definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys are interested in more knife content. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.